Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is a cookie recipe again. I love cookies. I am a cookie monster by heart. Well, by whatever. I just love cookies. We don't have any cookies in the house. I don't have any cookies in the house. And I wanted something really, really good. So I decided to make me some coconut cookies. Yes, indeed, some good coconut cookies. Now I buy coconut cookies in the store, but they not like fresh, homemade cookies. I love cookies, and I'm sure you do too. So what I'm going to do is show you what I'm going to do. You're going to need uh, one a cup and a third of coconut. Get the moist coconut, y'all. This is 1 and 1/3 cup. 1 and 1/3 cup of coconut. You're going to need a stick of butter. You're going to need 1 egg. You're going to need some coconut extract. Or you can use vanilla, but I got coconut. You're going to need a half a cup of white sugar and a half a cup of brown sugar. And make sure that the sugar is packed, the brown sugar is packed. You're going to need some self-rising flour. I use self-rising flour because when you put the baking soda, the baking powder, whatever, it's already in here. So you need a cup and a half of self-rising flour. And you're going to need some coconut to sprinkle on top. So what we're going to first do is, all this is already blended. You don't have to worry about blending the baking powder, the soda, and the salt because it's already in self-rising flour. So what you're going to do now is going to use the brown sugar and the white sugar, and you're going to put this stick of melted butter in there. You're going to get it all incorporated just like this, y'all. These cookies are fabulous, y'all. I always use that word. I hope everybody's doing fine. So now what we're doing is just stirring this together. Make sure this is blended together. And blend this together. You're going to make sure that it's all incorporated with that good old butter. I can taste the butter in these cookies already, y'all. Stir this all together. I love my plastic bowl. I got it at the thrift store, and I am glad I got it because this is just so handy to have. But do not cut onions in it because it will stay in this bowl. It look like the onion flavor will not go away. So you got all this blended like this. Then you're going to add your egg. So the egg is good. We're going to check it over here. Let's see. Yes, the egg is wonderful. So we're going to add it to this. Make sure that it's blended in there with it. Just like that. It's 1 large egg. That's all it takes. Blend it all like that. Make sure it's... And you can use a hand mixer if you want. That would be fabulous. But I'm just using the old-fashioned guy. Just like this. Okay? Got all that blended. Then we're going to use the coconut extract. I'm going to put that in there. About a teaspoonful. Make sure you close it up. It smells so good, y'all. Smells real good. I smell... Oh, it smells good. And I don't even have the coconut in there yet. Yeah, how about that? I'm going to put a little bit more in there, y'all. Ain't going to hurt now. Just a little bit more. That's it. How about that? Ain't going to hurt now. Then we got this stirred up. So what we're going to do now is add our flour a little at a time. Just like that. Simple recipe. Got it in your kitchen. Might as well go in there and fix it. Now, eating these cookies like this, you can read the ingredients. And the ingredients is coconut, flour, butter, egg, and sugar. You can read these ingredients, but some of those ingredients you cannot hardly read. I know I can't. I can't hardly read some of this stuff. It'll be telling you what it has in there, and it's delicious that long of what they have in there. Okay, what we're doing now is blending this together. Just like this. Make sure it's blended together. These coconut cookies are going to be so good. It smells so good with them. I don't have the coconut in there yet, y'all. Got this all blended. Make sure this is blended. Because we put the coconut in there now, it's going to be hard to blend. So we blend this in like that. Okay. Now we're going to add the coconut. Just like that. It all incorporated like this, y'all. And our cookie smelling good. Ooh, it's smelling so good. Get this all blended like this. And we'll be right back and show you what we do next. Okay? Alright, we roll them up and we put them in this pan. We just do a little light rolling. Now you can drop them if you like, but I just got a little roll. And what I'm going to do is roll them in this coconut just like this, so you can see it. Roll in this little coconut just like that. Because they're coconut cookies, y'all. Look at that. Roll them up in this little coconut like that. When you get through rolling them up, they're going to be golden brown with that coconut on them, y'all. Ooh, that's going to be good, ain't it? Okay, we're going to put them like this. Okay, I love coconut cookies. I love all cookies, y'all. I'm just a cookie monster. That's just all, too. And then we're going to get them all like that. And we're going to put them in the oven and let them bake. And we'll be right back and let's see what they look like. They're going to bake for 10 minutes in a 350 degrees oven. Alright, our cookies are done. I'm going to take them and put them in a serving dish. And I'm going to make the other ones a little bit bigger. Put them in the pan, just in the plate, just like this, y'all. These little cookies are so smelling so good, and I'm telling you, they are homemade. They're not at the store. They're homemade. And we're gonna do another batch, but I'm gonna wait till this pan cool off, and then when we do the other batch, we're gonna look how pretty it is. We're gonna show you how to do a bigger batch. They are chewy and gooey. Look at that. Not gooey, but chewy. They are good. These coconut cookies are so sweet. You can taste the brown sugar, the coconut, the extract of the coconut extract. So good. The Sandra will tell you happy eating. And thank you for coming to my channel. This thing is so good, y'all. If you like coconut, if I know you do, try this recipe. They are delicious. You can make them bigger, thin like this, or whatever. They are so good. This is wonderful, y'all. I promise you. This is Sandra going to tell you happy eating, and thank you for coming to my channel. And get this recipe off of soulfoodqueen.net. I'm going to have it down in the description. So all you have to do is click on it, and it takes you straight to the cookie recipe, the coconut cookie recipe. This is Sandra going to tell you happy eating, and thank you for coming to my channel. Good, y'all.